everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Missy and welcome to Bargain Beauty Deals. If you're part of the family, thank you for coming back. Today, oh wait, before we get into it, I just want to say I still have my giveaway going. It's going on until May 1st at midnight. I will leave a link down below if you're interested in entering it. And let's move on. I have a new subscription to the channel. Okay, so it's Glow Addict Beauty Box. It is, there's two versions of it. There's the bag that's $13.99 and the box that's $8.99. The bag, you get 4 to 5 beauty items. It's $13.99. Shipping's like $2 and like 31 cents or something, so they do charge shipping. And then the box is 5 to 6 beauty items for $18.99. So for $5 more, you can get one more item. Oh, look at it. It was ripped. That's okay. So it comes in a mailer like this, and I don't know anything because I just ordered it. So I'm excited. I've been wanting to get this subscription for a couple months now. I've really liked Fast Months and seen what they've been doing. You may hear my voice screaming because they're playing. They're not torturing each other. That's fun. So when you look inside, it looks just like this. And again, I've never gotten this before. I don't know. Oh, this is super awesome. They come in clear little bags like this. This is awesome. So you know we get the ones from Allure, they're the little snap ones, but these ones you could literally, oh, they're bubble taped in the bag. Oh, these are going to be great for when you go on trips to put your makeup in because it's reusable. It's bubble, there's the bubble, bubble wrap inside of the bag, not inside the bag, but in between the plastic. That's awesome. I really like that. So that's super awesome. So you look inside it and everything's in there like that. And it looks like I got 4 items. So I believe it was after tax like $15.31 or 30 cents or 29 cents. So it's $15 and some change after, not after tax, after shipping. So that's not a bad price. I was really happy about it. So I'm just going to reach in and, oh wait, there's like 5 things in here. I'm super excited. There is no like paper or anything. Let me look through here just to be safe and make sure I didn't miss anything. So there is no paper that tells you about anything or what you get, which would be really great if they did that because I really like that. And it doesn't tell you the value of anything, but that's irrelevant. I don't mind that. So I'm going to pull this out. And I have this because I got it in my BoxyCharm. This is the Appeal Cosmetics Holographic Lip Gloss. So this will be going in a giveaway for y'all. So I just want to point out that our holy grail BoxyCharm, who only has the best in their box, guess what? Appeal or Glow Addict Beauty Box, $13.99 a month. They have your gloss in there too, Boxy. So anywho, let's go on. So there's also, we got a Tony Moly sheet mask, Proposil mask sheet, and it's cotton 100%. So it's a Korean beauty skincare mask. It's in another language, so all I know is it's Tony Moly Pureness 100 Propolis mask sheet, and it's skin soothing. And there's a baby as well. Okay, back to the unboxing. So I love sheet masks, so I'm excited about that. And I already have the Appeal Cosmetics, but that's okay because one of you guys can get in a giveaway if you don't already have it. Next, we have the Rude Cosmetics Facial Goddess like shimmer makeup with an attitude. So this is just this is a pretty dark color. Let's see here. Put it on our hand. Does it say the color it is? I don't even know. In Eris. So, ooh. So this is just, ooh. It's coming out super liquidy. This, yeah, it's coming out like, yeah. It's like, does it say shaker? I'm shaking it with the top off. So, it's just like, okay, it's starting to get thick now. That was super nasty, actually. I'm going to be honest. That's really gross. I could never wear this for the highlighter. I am very dark complected, but I can use this as like a bronzer. And it says facial shimmer. This could not be a facial shimmer for anybody with light complexion. This is too dark for me. I mean, look it. This is the color this turned my hand. But, you know, I could definitely use it in the summer as like, and look at how greasy it is. Oh, this is like horrible. I hate it. But, I can use it on the summer on my body, and it's just like an extra shine on my shoulders and my arms and stuff, so I will probably still get use out of it. But look, it has a dark color just to be sending out. Usually you want to do a neutral color, but it's okay. That's all right. I don't mind. The next we have is the Ruby May. Oh, this is a glitter. Cool. If you know me, you know that I love glitter, so this will definitely get plenty of love. And I really, really like Ruby. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, it's like this gorgeous chocolate brown color glitter. It's really, really, really pretty. So let's put it just right over there. It should be. Oh, you guys, look at how beautiful that is. Oh, that's a really pretty glitter. It's just literally a chocolate brown color. That is so gorgeous. I love that. I'm just going to wipe my hands off real quick because that facial glitter, face glitter got like me super oily. So I got to get that off. It is so dark. Look how dark it leaves the wipe. Like, if you were fair toned skin tone, if you were light skin toned, you couldn't wear that on your face anywhere. I couldn't wear it on my face anywhere, and I have a tan all the time. So, okay, and this is what got me subscribed to this subscription this month. The Ruby May City Nights palette. This is $24.99 on their website, and I know that because I want it. I wanted it. I love Ruby May Cosmetics. I love the palettes that they're putting out. I pretty much like everything that they do. They're one of my favorite. Their lippies are amazing as well. So it's a 9-pan palette, and you know me. And there is a mirror right here. But look at those colors. I'm so excited. You guys, I will wear this so much. So I'm going to swatch a couple colors for you guys just so you can see what kind of pigmentation it is, how it feels, yada yada yada. But again, this was $24.99 on their website, on Ruby May's website. I know that because I've been wanting it. So, and this we already know was in BoxyCharm for like what, $18.99 or something, $21.99, something like that. So that's $45 right there plus, and I paid, even with shipping, $15. So I'm so happy already. So, oh, I'm so excited to have this palette. I'm going to hit the orange, the yellow. Let's do this color because I can't tell what color it really is. And this one. Oh, that's like a plum color. Okay. And then the hot pink. Okay. So here is the pink. Okay, that's pigmented. Here's the orange. And it's like a corally orange. It's not that pigmented, but that's okay because I could use it for a beautiful transition color. Here's the yellow. That's pretty. And this is, oh, that is super pretty. Next is the, I don't know what color this is, so let's check. Oh, it's a blue. That's a beautiful blue color. Look at that. Oh, it's just oh, it's so rich. Okay, and this is like a plum color right here. That is super pigmented right there. So these are the mattes, and there's another light colored matte. Does it say the names of them? It does on their website, but it doesn't say anywhere on here. So I could check, but I'm not going to. And I'm going to do the shimmers on my other hand real quick, just so we can see how that formula is, because this is an, oh, they're so nice. These, I'm so excited, you guys. Oh my gosh, look at those. Oh, here's the yellow. Oh my goodness. Here's the purple. Oh, wow. And look at that teal color. Those are beautiful, and they will go so good with these ones. Wow. I am so excited. So this is what I did. My husband's like, you have so many subscriptions. I don't really though. I think I have 5 now. That's not that much. All right? Because I know a lot of you have way more than that. So I had just gotten Allure, and I had been telling my husband how badly I wanted this Glow Addict Beauty bag, but I didn't want the $18.99 one, I wanted the $13.99 one. And I just kept telling him over and over and over, and I showed him the palette over and over and over. And finally I said, this is the last day, like 4 times, this is the last day I can get it. He said, babe, why don't it's the last day you can get that subscription, right? Why don't you go get it? So if you want any tips, that's how you do it. That's how I do it. But you guys, I think this was a great deal. Again, $15 after shipping is a $13.99 a month. You get 4 to 5 items in your bag, and I got 5 items, so I think that's a steal. One of them is not, I can't use the facial glitter, but that's okay. And I got my Ruby May, who I love. If you guys aren't familiar with Ruby May Cosmetics, check out their Instagram page. They have some incredible palettes. They have incredible, oh, I love them. I love a face mask, and I have this Appeal Cosmetics lippy already, but if I didn't have it, I'd use it. And then we're gonna get them in these great bags, which are gonna be perfect for travel, you guys. This is awesome. I like how they're doing that. This is what Allure needs to do, is something like this. I love this. So let me know if you guys like this subscription. Let me know what you think about it. Do you have the Glow Addict Beauty bag, or do you possibly have the box? Because they do have the box subscription as well. And if you did, let me know what you got. I will see you guys later. Bye!